Danny Gladden of Tower Grove East shared with us these images of what the earthquake left behind in Anchorage.
The exit that I take collapsed.
Gladden is also the chief clinical officer for Aquila Inc., one of the largest mental health and substance use providers in Alaska. One of their offices is in Anchorage.
When you walk outside of the roads that have collapsed and the bridges that have collapsed, you don't see buildings that have collapsed.
Gladden was in Ketchikan when the 7.0 magnitude hit Anchorage Friday morning, but he was able to get there by early next morning to assess the damage.
We had cracks in our facilities and walls and floors.
Gladden says luckily no one was hurt. He says that's also thanks in part to the earthquake drills the facility receives.
We do earthquake drills monthly, and we actually had the Great Alaskan Quake Preparation in October.
Gladden says the tremors and aftershocks are still happening.
Literally just now while we're talking, there was a 3.0 aftershock. I know this because I have an app that keeps sending me feeds.
Gladden says he's spending time focusing on people who may need critical assistance response, especially clients who are dealing with addiction.
Alaska is a resilient state. Folks here are strong. The folks here, they will persevere from this.
Reporting in St. Louis, Aisha Khan, News 11.